Why Krishna is called God of Love? Krishna's love encompasses the entire gamut of this beautiful feeling: love for his foster mother Yashoda, for his brother Balaram, love for gopis and for Radha. Most commonly, love refers to an emotion, a strong attraction and personal attachment. Love in its many forms acts as major facilitator of interpersonal relationship owing to its central psychological importance. Love is a common theme in the creative arts. Krishna revealed pure forms of the many types of love to us, hence he is called the God of Love. Krishna is in love with life, poetry, music of life and dance. He is adored in three different ways: Vatsalya Bhava, Madhura Bhava and Sakhya Bhava. Radha adored him in Madhura Bhava, Yashoda and Nanda worshipped him in Vatsalya Bhava, and the cowherds with sincere, loving hearts adored him in Sakhya Bhava, as a friend. Love has tremendous power. In fact, there is no greater power than love. It has the ability to heal the world. Love can heal all wounds and cleanse you of any negativity. Three things will last forever. These are faith, hope and love, and the greatest of these is love. While violence and hatred are indulged in by weak people, true love remains pure, fair, upright and without lust, greed and selfish motive. Power of love can be understood by the person who is full of love. It's easy to feel the love rather than describe it in words. In the Bhagavad Gita, in the chapter on Bhakti Yoga, help is proffered and spirits are healed through love, through the soul's love for that which is eternal and through the love of the eternal for each soul. The path of devotion and love, Bhakti Yoga, is commonly associated with those who express themselves through music, poetry, dance and other fine arts, and it is synonymous with a life of service, prayer and meditation, a life devoted to God. The path of Bhakti Yoga unfolds spontaneously. For some, its appeal stems from an inherent attraction to God. For others, gratitude towards yoga matures into love and respect for a teacher, for a system of practice or for the natural universe. Krishna says, "I am the same to all beings and my love is ever the same, but those who worship me with devotion, they are in me and I am in them." All spiritual persons and saints always give the message of love. Power of love can be understood only by loving someone. Only then we can realize how powerful this emotion of love can be. According to Osho, the more loving you are, the less is the possibility of any relationship. The moment love becomes a relationship, it becomes a bondage because there are expectations and there are demands and there are frustrations and an efforts from both sides to dominate. It becomes a struggle for power. Question arises then as to what is true love. The best example of true love is parent-child love. Love is internal, not external, and it refers to a variety of that of a parent for her child that is unconditional. Love enhances your inner strength. Love makes the person kind-hearted, humble and helpful to others. Love is beautiful when it raises us to a higher level. Thank you for listening to our article. I hope it had been meaningful to you. Please share and subscribe for more notable information.